Hey, meal preppers, Paul
And
and Amy coming out to you here for lunch today. Yes, you're working from home now, which is pretty awesome on
One day.
Tuesdays. And guys, we have lunch. It could be dinner too. Actually, we serve this one up for dinner when we have company.
Yep.
This is a good one. This is all veggie too. I'm not used to the all veggie ones. But guys, this is veggie-stacked enchiladas, right?
Good try.
Veggie-stacked enchiladas. No meat, guys, all veggies right here. And a beautiful dish.
Autumn in a bowl.
Autumn in a bowl.
Yes.
Because it's getting chilly. And because it's getting cold, we've been making these dishes.
It's 80 degrees outside.
We started with the chili, we started with the stew, and now we've got these enchiladas. It's getting cooler. It's cooler. It's because of us. But guys, you roast a bunch of veggies. We got sweet potatoes, red pepper, corn,
Jalapenos. Onion.
then you add a
something
buttload of cilantro to paste pecani sauce. And you lay it together with some corn tortillas, bake it in the oven, a little bit of cheese on top, and you've got this amazing veggie stacked enchiladas. It's coming out in the app this week.
Yep.
We did make it before, but we're bringing it back because it is that time of year.
That
So
good.
guys, check it out and let us know what you think.